Waterbury fatal motor vehicle accident lawyer losing a family member in a Waterbury car accident is one of the most painful experiences, and the grief is compounded when someone else's negligence caused the crash. In New Haven County, highways and city streets such as I-84, Route 8, East Main Street, and Thomaston Avenue have seen fatal collisions from speeding, distracted driving, and impaired motorists. The Connecticut Crash Data Repository reports 314 traffic deaths in 2024, making it the second deadliest year in the past decade. Connecticut General Statutes Section 52-555 requires that only the executor or administrator of the deceased person's estate file a wrongful death claim, not individual family members. This rule differs from many states where surviving spouses or children sue directly because the claim is brought on behalf of the estate. The recovery ultimately benefits the decedent's heirs or beneficiaries through probate, and a spouse may seek loss of consortium damages under Section 52-555A. In 2015, the Connecticut Supreme Court in Campos v. Coleman recognized the right of minor children to recover damages for losing a parent's love, care, and guidance. Damages in a wrongful death case are measured from the decedent's perspective and include medical bills, funeral expenses, future earnings, and household services. Non-economic damages cover conscious pain and suffering before death, loss of life's enjoyment, a spouse's loss of companionship, and a child's loss of parental guidance and companionship. Connecticut follows a modified comparative negligence rule under Section 52-572H, reducing the estate's recovery by the decedent's share of fault and barring recovery when that share exceeds half. If damages equal $1 million and the decedent is 20% at fault, the estate recovers $800,000, but no recovery is available when fault exceeds 50%. You have 2 years from the date of death to file a wrongful death lawsuit and 5 years from the negligent act, with a longer window if the at-fault driver is convicted of certain crimes. Missing these strict deadlines can permanently bar recovery, so early consultation with a qualified legal professional is crucial. After a fatal car accident, you should obtain the police report, preserve crash scene evidence, request medical records, and work with the probate court to appoint an executor or administrator. You should notify insurance carriers but avoid recorded statements or settlements without legal advice because insurance companies seek to minimize claims. A knowledgeable advocate can help you navigate the probate court process, gather evidence, and communicate with insurers while protecting your rights. A wrongful death attorney conducts an independent investigation, gathers reports, witness statements, traffic footage, and vehicle data, and counters arguments blaming the decedent or minimizing damages. Insurance policies may not fully cover losses, so a legal representative identifies other sources of compensation, including underinsured motorist coverage, the at-fault driver's assets, and claims against other responsible parties. Dan Petroskey has practiced personal injury law since 2004 and became the owner of DeFronzo Petroskey, P.C. after years as part of the firm. As a fatal car accident lawyer, Dan brings legal preparation and genuine empathy to every case he handles at the firm. This law firm has more than 60 years of history representing injured clients and bereaved families, securing millions of dollars in recoveries across Connecticut. Dan earned his J.D. from Albany Law School, is admitted in Connecticut and New York, and participates in state and local bar associations. He is recognized by peer-reviewed legal organizations and chairs the Rivera Memorial Foundation Board, reflecting dedication to the community. Waterbury ranks among the top 5 Connecticut cities for traffic fatalities, and high-risk corridors like the Mixmaster Interchange, East Main Street, and Thomaston Avenue continue to see deadly crashes. By investigating every fatal collision thoroughly and working within Connecticut's fault system, DeFronzo Petroskey, P.C. pursues justice for families while defending against attempts to shift blame onto the victim. This law firm handles cases on a contingency fee basis, so you pay nothing unless the firm recovers compensation for your family. Call DeFronzo Petroskey, P.C. at 203-756-7408 or visit us at 255 Bank Street No. 2B, Waterbury, Connecticut, 06702, United States.